Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the positive sides of Facebook. All know that Facebook's one of the most popular social media platforms with billions of active users. Oh yes, it has many positive aspects that make our lives easier and more enjoyable. In this video, we will discuss how Facebook can be beneficial for us. So without any further delay, let's get started. How Facebook benefits our daily life. The first and foremost benefit of Facebook is that it allows us to stay connected with our family and friends. We can easily share our thoughts, feelings, and experiences with our loved ones. It is a great way to keep in touch with people who live far away from us. Facebook helps us to connect with distant friends. We can use Facebook to reconnect with old friends and make new ones. The platform's algorithms suggest friends based on your interests and connections. This makes it easy to find people who share similar interests as you do. It is a great platform for learning new things. There are numerous groups and pages dedicated to various topics on Facebook. You can join these groups and pages to learn new skills and gain knowledge. You can also follow experts in various fields to stay updated on the latest trends and developments. Benefits of online communities and groups. Facebook provides a platform for people with common interests to come together and form groups. These groups can be based on anything from hobbies to professional networks. This creates a sense of community and belonging. It also allows people to share resources and support each other. Job opportunities. Facebook can be a great tool for job seekers. Many companies use Facebook to advertise job openings. You can also use the platform to network with professionals in your field and explore job opportunities. The importance of Facebook for business promotion. For businesses, Facebook is an essential tool for promotion. It allows them to reach a wider audience and connect with potential customers. Businesses can use Facebook to promote their products and services, run targeted ad campaigns, and build a strong online presence. How small businesses, SMEs, profit from Facebook. Small businesses can use Facebook to their advantage by engaging with their target audience, building a brand and driving sales. Facebook's advertising platform also allows SMEs to reach a wider audience without breaking the bank. Proper use of Facebook for students. Students can use Facebook to stay connected with their peers, share notes, and collaborate on projects. The platform can also be a useful resource for career planning and professional networking. Facebook's role in spreading urgent news and information. During emergencies or urgent situations, Facebook can be a valuable tool for disseminating information quickly. People can use the platform to share updates, coordinate efforts, and seek help. So these are some of the positive sides of Facebook. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.